Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Sit down. Now, class, I give you an examination. It's not an true or false or an multiple choice. I would like to give you a spelling examination because I would like to test your ability to spelling the word. You know, my English is crooked. And I don't like you to be me in the future tense. That's why I'm giving you a spelling test. So that when your English speaking is wrong, your spelling is correct. So let's start and be concentrate.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good.
Hi!
Hi. Are you going?
Yeah, pauwi na nga ako eh.
Can I show your way to your housing authority?
Thank you na lang, Webster. Kasi nandyan si Raymond eh. Iniintay ako.
Don't mention it. You're welcome to the club.
Siya nga pala. Ito yung invitation sa kasal namin ni Raymond. Sana huwag ka mawawala.
You mean to say you marrying Raymond already? How about my...
Webster, I'm sorry. Alam mo naman na matagal na kaming engaged ni Raymond. Huwag ka sanang mawawala,
Yes.
I'll go ahead. Bye-bye.
Bakit? Nothing. I just have my heartbeat.
Sir, kalimutan mo na yung mga chicks na yan. Ang dami-daming babae dyan.
Yes. Plenty girls. But Grace is Grace. Nothing else. Understand?
Sir, what do you want to do now?
No!
Uy!
Grace!
Sir, sir, tama na. Ano ba?
Relax lang kayo.
Uminaw naman kayo.
Marami ka namang iba dyan eh.
No, Grace! I need it, Grace!
Sir,
Daming nanonood, oh.
Sir, ang dami-daming estudyante, oh. Di ba kayo nahihiya? Ang dami tao, oh.
Dami, oh.
Who are you? Rene Salud?
What Rene Salud are you talking about? I'm Rene Sagisak. Hi! No, I'm your fairy godmother. Just call me Venus, okay?
Venus? My fairy godmother? Fairy godmother? Why are you saving me?
Because you deserve to live happily ever after, okay?
How can I live happily ever after if the woman I love is already marrying?
Okay, if you want the chicks to lay eggs for you, you simply say, I love you 3 times a day.
Is that all I have to say?
Yes, you try it.
I love you 3 times a day.
One more time with feelings.
I love you 3 times a day. I love you 3 times a day.
Teka, huwag mo akong saluhin.
Fairy godmother, where are you?
Sige, maghanap ka ng kausap mo, pati ako tinatalo mo.
No! I want to be sure that... Is that all I want to say?
Sige na!
Fairy godmother, come back! Explain me! Explain it so that the woman I love is in love with me!
Maghanap ka ng ninang mo! Hindi uli!
Very good, Mother! Please help me! Very good, Mother! Help me! I love you 3 times a day!
Good evening, ma'am.
Grace, ano ba naman?
Ano ba naman? Pinatawad na kita minsan. Inulit mo na naman.
Pambihira naman, ikakasal naman tayo eh. Tsaka isa pa, ano ba naman masama kung magsisi tayo minsan?
Ilang linggo na lang ikakasala tayo. Hindi ka ba pwede maghintay?
Alam mo, Grace, punting-punting na ako sa'yo. Para kasi Maria Clara. Para bang napakalinis mo, hindi ka na pwedeng hawakan. Para kang madre sa simbahan ha. Magmadre ka na lang.
Ito, ibigay mo sa babaeng pwede mo at hindi mo na kailangan pakasalan. Nagkamali ka ng pinili mo. Not me.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Yan, sa'yo na yan.
Grace, are you crying, lady?
Hindi, wala. Hindi, may iniisip lang ako.
Grace, don't minding me. I know you're crying. And I know you're break up already with your boyfriend, Raymond, right?
Paano mo naman nalaman na nagkahiwalay na kami?
Because I said it in 1 minute of your time.
Alam mo, Webster, ang bait-bait mo. That's why I like you.
Thank you for feeling that way from me. You know, Grace, I have something I want to telling you.
Webster, sandali lang ha. Sandali.
Hoy! Kumangbang! Pumunta ka raw sa opisina ni Mr. Dakuykoy. May sasabihin sa'yong importante.
As I was saying, I love you 3 times a day. Yeah.
Webster! Hey! What? You're not body with yourself! Pagod na ako, Webster! Darling! Pagod na ako, Webster!
Good morning. Never mind, sitting down. Class, I had anonymous decision on our spelling test. Only 3 of you got a century egg. 100% perfect. You know, I'm not disappointing to Archie, Max, and Thomas because they are got a perfect score.
Sir, you mean to say, perfect kaming tatlo?
That's right.
Okay.
You also got a century egg.
Really na, dumari ka doon eh.
A perfect 0.
Talaga bang ka na ng bait, Mr. Kubangbang?
No, not yet.
Kung hindi ka ba naman nababaliw, bakit isasali mo pa sa spelling contest yung tatlong pinaka-notorious students sa eskwelahan ito?
Because I want to bring honor to our beloved schooling.
Honor? Baka dishonor ang ibig mong sabihin, Mr. Kubambang. No. I cannot allow you to use the name of the school in that manner. No.
But they are the student of this school. It is the right and left to bring the name of this school.
Nako, pihadong magkakalat lang yung tatlong yan sa contest.
Right.
Sir, huwag kayong pumayag na gamitin nila ang pangalan ng ating eskwelahan.
Yes.
Is that your final decision of the Board of Judges?
Yes.
All right.
Kung gusto mong mapahiya, sarilinin mo na lang. Huwag mo nang idamay ang karangalan ng eskwelahan ito.
Okay. We will see to you. The next picture. See you at the lobby.
Adios, patria adorada.
So, there you are.
Eh, sir. Bakit pinagpipilitan nyo pang isali kami doon sa contest na yun? Eh, tama naman si Mr. Dakoy-Koy. Baka magkalat lang kami.
Don't say that. You are not basura. So you don't kalat-kalat.
Eh, sir, kung yung sariling pangalan nga ng eskwelahan natin, ayaw pagamit eh.
What is the naming? As Shakespeare once said.
Ibig niyo sabihin, sir, itutuloy pa rin natin, sasali pa rin tayo, kahit na hindi pumapayag ang school administration?
That's right. We were showing to them that we are not in this school.
Eh, teka, sir. Sa tingin nyo kaya, mananalo naman kami dyan.
Boys, it's not the winning that is counting. Remember that. It is the counting that is winning, like in the homily.
Alam mo, sir, ako natatakot sa papasukin natin to eh. Nagsasayang lang tayo ng pagod. Matatalo lang tayo.
Max, don't say that until you die. As Shakespeare once said, don't give a and keep the change.
Oo nga naman. Tama si sir. Eh, wala namang mawawala sa atin. Kaya pagbigyan na natin.
No! Don't give me! Huwag niyo akong pagbigyan. You give yourself. We entering this contest to win. Even we are losing, we still win. If you try and try and try and try. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir!
sir.
Spell advark.
AARDVARK. Aberration.
ABERRATION. Aberration. Spell binomial. BINOMIAL.
SYNTHESIZED. Synthesize.
UNIRAMOUS. Uniramus. Ayun na!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, boys. Good luck. This is the telling of the truth and the false. Okay? Fight! Fight!
Good luck.
Thank you.
Sir, don't be nervous ne. Huwag mag-alala. Yang kang yakan nila. Okay? Hako ne?
Tingnan nyo nga, tagilid yata ang labanan eh. Tingnan mo mga kalaban nila oh. Mga mukhang library. Eh sila, mga mukhang lakwatsa.
Eh, masyado ka naman negative, Doro, eh. Ay, nako, kahit ano pang positive thinking ang gawin yung dalawa dyan, sila Archie, lampaso pa rin ang mga yan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the final elimination of the National Spelling Bee Contest high school level. Now, we have here our two groups. Now, I'd like to mention first the rules of the contest. Each contestant will be given exactly 10 seconds to spell a word correctly. If a contestant fails to spell the word correctly, the same word will be given to the other team. Is that clear?
Chong, di ba ikaw yung number one? Dapat dito ka.
Oo nga, no. Hindi na, natatakot ako eh.
Kung hindi pwede, gusto mong ma-disqualify tayo? Tara, balik tayo.
Sige, eh, mas matanda
Tara!
na dito eh. Di ikaw na.
Okay, we shall now begin the contest. Contestant number 1 from Team A, Lacandiwa High School. Your word is rendezvous. It means a meeting place. Rendezvous.
Rendezvous. R-E-N-D-E-Z-V-O-U-S. Rendezvous.
Correct.
Sabi ko nga ba.
Contestant number 1 from Team B, from No Name High School.
Naninervyos na ako.
Your word is facade, which means the frontal perspective of a building. Facade.
Facade. F-A-C